Assalamualaikum and very good morning. We from Group 1. Today we will present about the understanding of the Islamic accounting concept and how Islamic ethics and accountability as well as Sharia standard can enhance accounting practice. The Islamic banking industry has exploded in popularity in recent years, promptly several inquiry into what exactly Islamic banking is and how it operates. The number of Islamic financial institutions has increased dramatically since the advance of Islamic banking. Other organizations such as Bwfs has sprung up because of this Islamic insurance. The Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic Institutions (AAOIFI) have been at the forefront of establishing accounting and auditing standards to ensure the accuracy of financial results issued by these Islamic financial institutions. In Malaysia, Bank Negara Malaysia and the Malaysian Accounting Standard Board (MASB) have also provided the financial report guideline for the financial institution. Then, difference between Islamic accounting and conventional accounting. Islamic accounting provides the information which users of the financial statement of Islamic bank depend on in assessing the Islamic bank's extent of compliance with Sharia and determining right and obligation of all interested parties in accordance with the principle of Sharia. There are many similarities between Islamic and conventional accounting, as both are about providing useful economic information to permit users to make rational decisions by facilitating comparison and thereby minimizing the cost of accessing alternative investment. However, the nature of transaction in Islamic organizations which deal with a Sharia framework is different, as Islamic organizations have a duty to contribute to socio-economic justice and stability, while conventional accounting is based upon modern commercial law. Islamic accounting is based upon ethical law originating in the Quran and Sunnah, which ultimate purpose is to ensure the Islamic organization abide by the principle of Sharia in the dealing. Information provided by conventional accounting focus on individuals who control resources, while Islamic accounting information concentrate on the community who participate in exploiting resources. Then, the difference lies also in the type of information needed in both types of accounting, and how it is measured and valued, recorded and communicated. Conventional accounting is based on economic event and transaction, while Islamic accounting is based socio-economic and religious event and transaction. Another difference between conventional accounting and Islamic accounting is in the user of the information. The management of Islamic corporation is accountable not only to the shareholder, it is accountable to the society as a whole. Then, Islamic worldview of accounting and accountants. In this study, we sought to give clear answer and sound financial accounting Islamic view of Islamic jurisprudence, important financial market, local and global level, as well as stand on the image of Islamic accounting and evolution since the advance of Islam. What is the extent of the interest of Islam financial accounting and operation under Islamic Sharia, and had addressed the research of the accounting assumption and principle which government and shape Islamic accounting laws, and especially the basic standard of accounting in the context of scientific and comprehensive in the one research. Finally, review the most important step necessary to build theory in Islamic accounting standard in line with Islam in science. Thank you. I will pass to the next presenter, Muhammad Nur Haris.
Thank you for Kafi Daniel. My name is Muhammad Noharis Izainuddin, 72642. and today I will present about question 3, 4, and 5. Which is Islamic accounting standard we can provide the appropriate information to the stakeholder about the entity and provide them based on what the bond of Islam or Sharia law is that. In this standard, we use AAOIFI, which is Accounting and Auditing Organization for Islamic financial institution. With this standard, we can prevent the following the unnecessary thing that have in IFRSS and also GAAP as in conventional institution. AAOIFI is actually Islamic International non-for-profit corporate bodies that actually provide uh, accounting, auditing, ethics, governance, and Sharia law for the Islamic finance and institutions. AAOIFI was established under Agreement of Association on 26 February 1990 at Algiers. The objective of AAOIFI is actually the same why it was be established is for accounting and provide the auditing and accounting that follow the Sharia law as their impact in accounting practice is extend the confidence of user of the financial statement of Islamic financial institution in information that is produced about this institution. MASB actually Malaysian Accounting Standard Board that was established under financial reporting 1997. This was actually the standard setting body of FRF, whose function shall be determine and ensure of accounting standard for the provision of financial statement that requires that be prepared or lodged under law as administered by Security Commission Malaysia, Bank Negara Malaysia, or the registered authorities. The objective of MASP is to develop and also to promote the high quality accounting and financial reporting standard that are so consistent with the internal best practice for the benefit of users. The impact of MASP itself to the accounting practice is they make up the framework for financial reporting in Malaysia together with FRF. Ethical in Islamic accounting practice is very important because the accountant itself must be having the responsibility, confidentiality, objectivity, and also independence to their works. Also, in Sharia, financial accounting ethics itself have arranged some ethical stipulate on Islamic financial. They are integrity, sanctity, and resurgency of humanity on earth.
Assalamualaikum. Hi, my name is Muhammad Taufik Izzat bin Tajul Rizal. My metric number is 272902. Okay, so my part is have to review an article. The article that I choose is the need of accounting standard for Islamic financial institution. Based on the article, the demand of Islamic product increased and many banks want to offer it. So AAOIFI has to set up a standard to standardize all Islamic institutions to promote Islamic products. What is the importance of the standard? The importance is to avoid bad elements in products such as riba, haram and maisir, to give a transparent information to the customer, and to accept or reject objectives that consist Sharia. Okay, for the conclusion is the outcome of the project, we can differentiate between Islamic accounting and conventional accounting. Next, we can explain the Islamic worldview of accountant and accounting. And the last one, we can verify the need of standard and understand the AAOFI and MASB role for the Islamic institution. Thank you.